I'm going to test our well water with this alkalinity kit. So remove the cover. Our directions. We have phenolphthalein indicator powder, and we have from creosote green methyl red indicator powder. We have sulfuric acid 0.035 N. We have a measuring vessel and our test bottle. So, reading the directions, first thing we're going to do is fill the measuring tube full with the water to be tested and then pour it into the mixing bottle. And I will do that. Okay, I have done that. Next thing we're going to do is add the phenolphthalein indicator powder. So I will grab one of those and add it to our little bottle. Okay, added the phenolphthalein. It says to swirl the mix as in figure 2. Here is figure 2. So it looks like it wants you to swirl it on your finger. Okay, I will do that. Okay, just for demonstration purposes, I changed the water. And this one has just a hint of pink. It's probably hard to see in the camera. And I put it against a white background. It's just got a little bit of a hint of a pink color to it. So what I'm going to do is add drop by drop the sulfuric acid, which is right here, and we're going to count the drops. Then I'm going to add the sulfuric acid drop by drop and count each drop. It was just a hint of pink, which is now gone. So we had 1 drop of sulfuric acid. On to the next page. The phenolphthalein alkalinity in grains per gallon as calcium carbonate is equal to the number of drops of sulfuric acid used. To convert milligrams per liter, multiply the GG value by 17. And you can do that. Then after this, we're going to add the contents of 1 Rome creosote green indicator powder to the mixing bottle and swirl the mix. The color will change to blue-green. And I will do that. So now it is blue-green. And the directions say, continue the drop count method, adding sulfuric acid while counting the drops until the color changes to pink. So I will do that. Alright. See how this goes. 1, 2, 4. Five, 6, 7. Ooh, it's almost pink. Let's see if it goes pinker. 8. That's a pretty color. Let's try one more just to. Okay, so this showing is that's exactly. Hasn't changed any, so we'll keep that at 8. The total methyl orange alkalinity in GG as calcium carbonate is equal to the total number of drops of sulfuric acid used in both steps 4 and 7. Convert milligrams to total alkalinity, multiply the GG by 17. And then you can do that.